Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I have a bunch of work scheduled on this beautiful 93 525i Touring, right? It has some kind of Alpina trim on it. Looks really cool, and it needs few little things done. I have to remove bunch of stuff in this area to get basically to my power steering hoses. Let's go in this video to look together how to remove the alternator cooling intake. Believe it or not, these vehicles have a high level of engineering, and basically this is the alternator right down there, and it has its own cooling intake. I brought a light so you can see it nicely, and I will start with removing that bolt, which you can hopefully see down there, right, which holds that clamp, and the whole intake is attached to the back of the alternator. So I will release that. After releasing that bolt, I should be able, right, carefully lift this part out, possibly disconnect it from the rest, and get it completely out. Here you can see it's very dusty inside. Should be definitely part of the maintenance, right, keeping everything clean. To continue this whole operation, I will try to lift this part. Hopefully it goes up nicely, right? And with a little twist we have basically that entire cooling intake removed. I hope this video can be helpful someone for their own maintenance and repair, and definitely be subscribed because I will have more videos working on this lovely Beamer. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.